Technology continues to break through the imagination of thinking, and now, under the wave of digitalization, the boundaries of manufacturing are constantly being rewritten. Digitization, informatization, and intelligence are quietly infiltrating people's lives. Mosdar concentrates on manufacturing digital welding products and carefully crafts every detail of its products. From research and development, manufacturing, sales to service, it has become an integrated solution provider for the welding and cutting industry. Mosdar has an experienced and innovative professional R&D team and has established a complete new product R&D management system and process. With multi-level research and development capabilities of welding products have achieved produce a batch, develop a batch, and reserve a batch, realizing the sustainable development of technology, research, and development, and have obtained more than 100 patented technologies. Mosdar has built an industry-leading comprehensive testing laboratory with high-standard experimental equipment and testing capabilities, and can simultaneously carry out more than 100 full-functional test equipments, such as drop test, waterproof test, vibration test, EMC test, etc. For a long time, Mosdar has been adhering to the management concept of lean production, constantly introducing advanced production equipment and promoting the improvement of production process. The efficient manufacturing supply chain system of Mosdar realizes the full procedure from production preparation to raw material processing, welding and debugging to shipment inspection. At present, the company has independently developed a series of products, including manual arc welding machine, MIG welding machine, TIG welding machine, plasma cutting machine, and welding and cutting accessories. Mosdar's digital welding products are equipped with efficient digital chips and combined with powerful algorithms, providing users with excellent welding performance and good user experience. The products are widely used in industries such as pipeline engineering, electric power engineering, building construction, steel structures, vehicle manufacturing, mechanical maintenance, and other industries. We will always focus on technological innovation and stick to our original intention. Unswervingly, actively explore the new future of digital welding machines. Mosdar, your reliable choice.